That was easy, right? And yet it's such a great feature to have because now your app can talk to users even when it isn't running. You want to show a step count for how far I've walked? Use notification. You want to trigger an alert because it's their turn to play in a game? Use notification. You want to send them marketing messages to make them buy more stuff? Actually, just don't do that, you bad person. We've only scratched the surface of what notifications can do, but if you'd like to explore more advanced topics, like attaching pictures or letting the user type responses rather than tapping buttons, see my book Advanced iOS Volume 1. And remember, anyone can sit through a tutorial, but it takes actual work to remember what was taught. It's my job to make sure you take as much from these tutorials as possible, so I prepared another short review to help you check your learning. You can find a link to this on the main Hacking with Swift review page. Once again, it's time for your challenge. One of the best ways to learn is to write your own code as often as possible. So here are 3 ways you can put your newfound knowledge to use straight away to make sure you fully understand what's going on. First, update the code in didReceive so it shows different instances of UIAlertController depending on which action identifier was passed in. Second, for a harder challenge, add a second UN notification action to the alarm category of Project 21. Give it the title Remind Me Later and make it call Schedule Local so the same alert shown in 24 hours. For the purpose of these challenges, a time interval notification with 86,400 seconds is good enough. That's roughly how many seconds there are in a day, excluding summer time changes and leap seconds. And third, for an even harder challenge, update Project 2 so it reminds players to come back and play every day. This means scheduling a week of notifications ahead of time, each of which launch the app. When the app's finally launched, make sure you call Remove All Pending Notification Requests to clear any unshown alerts, then make new alerts for future days.